yeah, I'm going to do a hair tutorial. It's happening. So, as you can see, the hair has been pretty much like most of the purple is kind of going out of it. It's been maybe 5 weeks. A lot of people ask me about my hair. Yes, it was really, really thick anyway. And then I started drinking Revive, which is, I'll put a little picture in here. And then I ended up shaving, that needs to be cut. I ended up shaving the back of it. So even though I have the length, I don't have the thickness. But it still takes me a while to do it. So what I'll do is I'll just show you how I do my hair. Because I've been using this little bad boy. People ask me, did you get your hair blow dried? And I'm like, no, I bought this thing, Babyliss for big hair. Now mine's a bit knackered and look, hair coming out of it all over the place. But it is the bomb. There's loads of different ones. So this is the way I do it. Let's see how many I say. I will divide it into, it used to be 4, but I think I can do it in 3 now. And I tie it up like this. And then I take Babyliss. Like, give it a brush actually, because sometimes it's a bit knotty. Now, I washed my hair yesterday. Won't be able to talk. Washed my hair yesterday, let it dry naturally. Actually wanted to do this yesterday. I would get the hair dryer and dry the roots. But so it is dry, but we should be okay. Could wet it. I might do that. I unravel it in a kind of ringlet style and then let it cool in that. Once it's cooled down, just zhuzh it up a bit. I will show you, I got my hair done at Sahaira in Dublin, in Fairview. And the last time I was there, she has been stocking, they're called Davines. I usually use purple shampoo, but I trust Sarah. So I'm going to see how these work. They smell like divine, and my hair took a bit of getting used to. This is the second wash with it. But that's it. That's my Babyliss hair tutorial.